Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this super easy dinner or lunch recipe that won't take up your time and requires very few ingredients. We are making steak tips. Start by cutting your steak meat into 1-inch cubes or whatever shape or size that you like. Trim any excess fat as needed. I season my meat with smoked paprika, garlic powder, red crushed pepper, salt, and Creole seasoning. I'm just eyeballing the ingredients, so use your discretion. Mix this and set it aside. Chop a few cloves of garlic and half an onion, or you can make it 1 whole onion. If you're watching this video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, come on, hit that button and let's make delicious meals together. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are totally awesome. Thank you for always supporting me. God bless you. Now, heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and sear your meat about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. If you have a lot of meat, you might want to do this in batches. Once your meat is all cooked, create a space in the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter is melted, add your chopped garlic and cook till it's fragrant. Then add your onions and saute. Next, you're going to add your soy sauce, which is about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have any Worcestershire sauce, definitely substitute with soy sauce. Cook a few more minutes till your meat is completely cooked through. Serve this with some mashed potatoes, or make it healthy and use just vegetables. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.